Hi, here's Sammy from Peggy Peg, and today I want to introduce to you what is inside our jumbo tent set. We're talking about these kind of tents, so what you have in front of your caravan. You have a lot of anchoring points, you have a lot of eyelets you need to screw to the ground and you need to peg down. So this is why we peg here a big number of screws, and our standard screw is 30 times in here. This is the one, it goes in 85% of all grounds. We have our small peg for the eyelets to peg down, and we have our long peg for either loose ground conditions, or if you want to create a deeper anchor for the 4 points of your tent, if it is softer ground, or for your storm strap additionally. This one is the standard, as I said. You always screw as far as the screw wants to. If it grips, because it is a compressing thread, it doesn't have to go further into the ground. So you don't need to force it further in. You can simply check if it is already gripping. If it does so, simply stop screwing and then use here the adjustability to click in the hook and adjust your guy ropes and guy ladder ropes to this hook. I quickly show you what is inside so that you have an idea how it looks like. To screw all of this into the ground, you obviously need a tool. So this one to screw by hand or with the electric drill. With the tent, I always advise the electric drill, because then you have just more pleasure in your holiday. So it just goes so much quicker. You have 30 of the end pegs together with the hooks in this bag. You have the tool in there. You have 20 of the small ones. And if it gets quite tough conditions, like very extreme, you can also pre-drill a pit hole and then later screw in our pegs. Additionally, we peg our crocodile. This is for the carpet. You can put the carpet into the mouth of the crocodile and then click this together. This way it can't move. And then you screw it down with our pegs in the set, meaning either this goes into the ground completely, depending on the ground conditions. If it is quite wet and soft, I would advise you to work with this one. And this one also clicks into the crocodile. This is all in there, and in the little side bag we have 4 of our L pegs, 2 for your storm straps or to anchor down the 4 corners of your tent.